etc. We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Actually, we didn't. There was no much changes. The only things is what we get was the price drop quite more. Okay. Anyway, what we're looking for, we want to see whether this is the only correction or we can expect to get the deeper correction. Because if you refer to our analysis, I was keep mentioning the price can drop. That's why I mentioned whoever wants to buy at the top, they need to be quite careful, because now we need to see if there is a continuation. We need to, I mean, if the price wants to continue, we have to get the correction at least similar to what we get here. Okay, now we want to see what we have based on lower time frame, because based on daily chart we don't have anything. The only thing is based on forward chart we get this down. We don't have any trades set up either for buy or sell. The only thing is whatever the trades we have, we should start to manage. Okay, but for those traders, even they're looking for the long term, at least they need to know how to manage the trade. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, because some of the traders they will keep asking me what's the update. The update is from now we don't have any trade set up to look for buy. All right, we have to wait and see what we get. For sure, if we get any reversal with a sharp move flag, we will take the trade. Okay, the only times we won't look for buy if the prices start to correct similar to what I drew here, because this kind of the correction can confirm the price can drop quite more. All right, but right now we don't have any information. Either the price can reverse, that's mean we can look for buy or drop some more. Okay, but I can see here we can expect to get a bigger correction. Okay, those traders they bought within this range, they have to start to manage, and they shouldn't panic. Okay, because usually, as we can see, this is the, I mean, when we get the sharp move, it follow with the correction. That's why I was keep mentioning we will get the correction, the price will drop. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup, and the only thing is, even I show based on forward chart and 1 hour chart, the only thing is we wait for the next trade setup. How deep this one can go, maybe put over 50. Just we look at that this one, we're not looking at the entire. All right, still the price can drop a bit more. I'm expecting maybe around 115, but we are going to look for the reversal. But anyway, this number is just indicative. We don't need to rely on that. Whatever I mentioned, I'm looking at this. I'm not looking at the entire structure. Okay, the reason is if we move to daily chart or even we move to weekly chart, this is what we have. Where the price is right now is almost at the top. We never have this price. Okay, based on the history of this etc. That's why any numbers will be prediction. The only things we do, we just follow the chart. What I can say here, we just wait for the next opportunity to look for trade. Mostly we're looking for buy. Anyway, if I see any reversal, I will share the, I will give update. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any opportunity to look for buy, I will share. The only thing is, if he wants to look for buy, we need to get the confirmation, at least sharp move, flag, or correction to look for the next trade. And what we want to get the sharp move, not the corrective move. Because if the prices start to correct, this is where we can get the confirmation for price to drop. Okay, maybe we don't need to look for sell, but if we want to look for buy, we don't need to look for the reversal as a confirmation. We need to look for the reversal as a sharp move, at least with the flag. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we have to wait and see what we get. And in this case, we just follow the chart again. If I see any update, I will share. Thank